afternoon. Sorry I did not get started earlier this morning, but as you guys know, last night was our Halloween party and I didn't get to bed till about 2 o'clock in the morning. I slept until probably 9 o'clock and then just kind of really eased into the day. And just now I finally uploaded my video for 2:30. It took me a while just to get everything on the computer and edit it and get it out for you guys today. And then I did some cleanup. So that's where we're at so far. Then we had some time on the couch eating Halloween candy and watching Pretty Little Liars. That was nice. And now we're gonna run out to Dunkin' and get a cup of coffee because I just really feel like I need that 3 o'clock afternoon coffee today. I'm dragging a lot today, but it was just so much build up to the party and the preparation and the excitement and then hosting the party. And it's just like today, I am committing to nothing. I was pretty content with the idea of laying on the couch all day and watching movies and eating Halloween candy. I only did it for about an hour, but I could definitely do it all day if I let myself. We had some really fun costumes last night. I wish I could share more of the party with you guys, but I just obviously can't. I don't think everyone that I know in my life is comfortable being on YouTube. But we had the Teenage Ninja Mutant Turtles. Is that how you say it? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So that was one of the fun group costumes. We also had Gilligan's Island. We had some Muppets here. There was just some really fun costumes that made me laugh so hard. And it's just always a good time. I love it when adults dress up and then they're like dancing and having fun in the costumes, and sometimes they're so silly it just makes me laugh so hard and we just have such a good time. So it was a really fun night and I'm just kind of taking it easy today. Patrick and Jim went for a ride because he's showing everybody his new car. He's so excited about it, and since he doesn't actually have his license yet, he needs an adult 21 years or older with him. So he was really happy just to be able to get out today and drive around, because he did end up having to work probably till like, I think it was about midnight last night. He put in a lot of hours because, you know, it's paying for that car. But it's a great thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna head to Dunkin' now and get some coffee. And that's really all that I have going on right now. I don't think I'm gonna have very much to share today. We'll see. Last night at the party, one of my friends actually brought me a gift. Look at how cute this is. It's a Mickey Mouse little mini crock pot. So when we stopped for coffee, we ended up running into Marshall's quick, and they had this adorable spa set, and it's Minnie Mouse themed. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. So I put together a tricky tray basket for a Christmas event every year, and I usually have it obviously Disney themed. And I thought this was such a great idea because I can go to the dollar store and add like little bath loofahs and things to go along with it. And it's just so cute. And it was only 15 bucks. So it was the only one they had too. I was excited about that. And then I needed more essential oils. And there was peppermint in here. I most especially needed peppermint because my head's been hurting a lot lately. And I'm curious to try this because I never tried other scents. Like they have vanilla. They also have a spiced cider fragrance, which I thought was going to be really nice for the holidays. So I picked that up. And then I'm going to try the Dashing Diva nail polish strips again. I don't know. I feel like these hold up really well. And I like that they just peel off so easily. And I haven't tried them in a while because I've been doing the Color Street. So I liked these colors as well. Lots of sparkles in there. And the sparkles are my favorite. They seem to hold up the best. And that's it. So it's pretty much the only thing that I did today. And it's already about 5 o'clock. So yesterday, I really wanted to talk more about the big event of my son Patrick getting a car, because it really was a big event. Again, it was something that he saved up for a really long time for. He works about 4 jobs right now to finance this, and I'm really proud of him. But also, he got a Tesla, and this is like a whole nother animal of a car, and it is so amazing. And the whole experience from beginning to end was super easy. I loved it. Way easier than going to a car dealership and haggling over prices. And I hate getting a new car. As much as I love getting a new car, the whole process kind of is horrible. So my husband Jim was really nice. He wanted to vlog and share the experience with you guys because I just think it's something that everyone should know if they're interested in ever getting a Tesla. I know electric cars are becoming more and more desirable, and I'm actually considering it now for my next car when the time comes because it's just so cool. So I am going to share that with you right now because number one, it's already the end of the day and I've really done nothing, shared nothing, have not much of anything going on. And I think you guys are going to just really enjoy learning a little bit about it and seeing the whole process of them going, picking up the car, how super easy it was, and how fascinating this car is. I am telling you, if you've never seen one, this was my first experience. It's just really cool. It's literally like a toy car. It does so many fun things. So anyway, I'm gonna share that with you guys right now.
All right, we're here in a lot with nothing but Teslas. Literally just waiting on the side of the building. So what they say, he's on his phone now and he just unlocks it and we get in it and go. That's literally how you pick up your car, contactless. Even the ordering process was so simple. You go on it, you configure your vehicle, you put $100 down and you're ordered. Obviously you have to pay the balance off, but pretty sharp looking vehicle. Oh, there it is, it's unlocked. All right, so again, has not seen or spoken to a single person here. We come in, he unlocks it from his phone.
Is this, what is this, call people?
The stations.
Get on the screen here.
That's cool.
What's this all about, Patrick?
Stations you could type in, right? That's all I know.
Yeah.
How do you, so you accepted delivery on your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that whole big pad is a charger.
Yeah, one on each side.
So we just drive home now.
Dang, you can say like, you have
Set
favorites.
home, favorite, work.
Hungry.
It tells you when you're hungry?
You could play Spotify straight from here.
Mm-hmm. Karaoke.
Whole top glass.
Oh my gosh.
Disney karaoke.
Oh no, it's got Disney karaoke. Let's hide that from Mom. Really? You do karaoke in your car? Oh please, no.
And it comes up with the whole video? Are you kidding?
All right, I was gonna turn the video off now and stop recording, but Jen's happy homies are gonna want to see this.
We were here.
Oh.
So this is karaoke. You can browse party mixes, duets,
Haunted houses. Oh no.
new tracks. What? And then
Good for you.
streaming, is that just you could, wow. So like you have your own basically account through Tesla.
Yeah.
And you can play just like
Wow.
a profile.
All right, anything else we want to show the...
Valet mode, is that where it picks you up? Can you navigate?
Yes, yes. All the things you normally can do. All right, there's your camera.
I hope that you guys enjoyed just seeing that whole process. It was a lot of fun, and again, it's just the coolest thing. This car is just so amazing and we're having a good time with it. But that's gonna be it for today. I know there really wasn't much of anything going on. Hopefully things will get more exciting tomorrow. I actually have my town book club tomorrow, and of course it's going to be Halloween themed, and we're talking about Rock, Paper, Scissors, which is the book that we did for my Patreon book club. So that was really cool because I get to talk about the book twice, and we're gonna have some Halloween treats. And we did this, well, I don't think we did it last year. We did it the year before. That was a lot of fun, and I made a whole video about having a book club and hosting it and things like that, and it was all about that specific book club that I did a couple of years ago. So it's always a good time. I'm looking forward to it. So that is gonna be it. I think we're going to watch a Halloween movie, get some takeout, maybe some pizza or something really simple because I'm not cooking tonight. And that's gonna be it for today. So thanks so much for coming along, and I will see you in the morning. Good night.